This is a 2020 Rockwood A122 A-train. As you can see, it's got an A shape. Has manual leveling jacks both in the front and the rear. Outdoor speaker. This is your antenna for your stereo. Got a little shelf here if you want to cook outside, because it does come with a gas grill. Storage space. Spare tire. Your Wi-Fi booster. I'm going to go inside here in just a second. You're going to be amazed at the amount of room and space and amenities that this one has. See, it's going to have plenty of headroom once you get inside. You got a couple of skylights here in the front, give you plenty of light. You got one big one in the back where your bed is. This comes with the Pro Rack, which allows you to attach bicycle racks and other things that can help you carry some things. We'll go inside here. I'm probably going to use my wide angle lens here because it is a little bit of a small space. I want to make sure you have a good perspective. Here's the big window for your over your bed. We got a hanging wardrobe. Put in clothes. You also have a hanging clothes rack you use up here. So that's a full-size bed. Has a sink. Television comes with it. 3-burner stove. Got your refrigerator. It's a mini refrigerator, as you would expect. This dinette converts into a sleeper. And here's your shades for your front windows. It does have a fantastic fan. That'll keep the heat out in the summertime. But it does have an air conditioner. If you can feel in here, it's Dominator. Runs very well. Speakers, cable, microwave oven. It has a porta potty. The porta potty stores underneath this seat. Comes out this little door right here. You can reach it. You can see it from the outside, but you can access it from the inside. Here's your stereo. It's Bluetooth. Carry on. There's your air conditioner and heater thermostat. Here's your Wi-Fi controls. A lot of nice little features in this small package. Emergency exit window. These levers are what you use to drop the top down. We've got 4 of those. And it's the 2020 A122 A-train.
Lights off.
I'm showing you how we lower the roof on this, so you know how easy it is. I did show you here is the bed with the dinette table down. So it's a good sized bed. You can easily sleep 4 in here. And that's it. That's all it takes to drop the roof on this 2020 A122 by Rockwood. Easy peasy.